How to use voice changer in ElevenLabs. So your first step would be to log into your account. As you can see, I'm currently logged in. So once you've logged in, just head over to where we have voice changer and click on the voice changer in the playground. Now you can make use of the voice changer in two ways. You could either upload any of your audio documents that contains either a WAV file or a normal recording, or you could click on record audio and manually record an audio. Now, once you have done this, you can easily select a voice output you would like to try. So basically, if you click on the voice that says Rachel or whatever is there, and you click on explore, you can simply go through a catalog of voices that you can simply convert your voice to. So if you want to sound like a true crime and horror narrator, you can go with this option, and then you can play a preview so you know what you're going to be sounding like. And then once you're done, once you've recorded an audio, all you need to do is just go ahead and generate. You could set the stability if you need the voice to be more stable. If you want to change the model that's being used, you can do that as well. If you want to increase the similarities or lower the similarities to your voice, we have style exaggeration where high values are recommended. And then higher values can lead to more instability. And then if you need speaker boost or to remove background noise from your audio, you can do that as well. And then just click on generate. All right.